Hi and welcome to AMG Workshop. On today's video I will be making a low power guitar amplifier. The schematic is very simple. You can find it and its variable layout on my website. The link is below in the description box. I made the layout with the DIY layout creator. And to make my life even more easier, I drew all the traces on the variable first. I also mark where the component goes. The first component I solder in place is the lm386. Inserting all the components at once is not really a good idea. The best way to do it is to insert and solder 2 or 3 components at a time. At this moment I did not realize I soldered the potentiometer in the wrong pads, but I fixed it later on off camera. With just the blade of a hacksaw I trimmed off the board. This wire is not really suited for low audio signals or high gain applications, but it's what I had at the time. For a cleaner look, I split one wire and soldered the drive potentiometer in series with it. Now soldering some wire to the boost and distortion switches. I choose not to solder any wires to the LED, just the current limiting resistor in series. You will understand why in a moment. Now I'm getting everything soldered together. This orphan plastic speaker will host our little amplifier. Before drilling holes for the potentiometers and the switches, I used some painter's tape to help with the markings. Well, I thought I planned for everything. Guess I did not. A Dremel would have been a perfect tool for this job, but you work with whatever you've got. Since the case is a plastic box, some shielding with aluminum tape will help very much. I'm adding here some electrical tape to prevent any short circuits. I'm breaking the little anti-rotation tabs so the potentiometer sits flat. Yes, that's the 11 switch.